After opening the package, the product should be returned in its original folded condition inside the box. To prevent damage during return shipping, please repack the product carefully by following the steps below. The product cannot be returned if the controller has been removed. The product cannot be returned if the hang tag has been removed. Please use the original packaging materials whenever possible, including the original packaging bag, protective pearl cotton, white gift box, and outer carton. Step 1. Fold the main body. Lay the product flat on a clean surface with the front side facing up. Gently fold the left and right sides toward the center to keep the main body neat and properly aligned. Step 2. Fold the hood. Pick up the hood section and gently arrange it along the natural texture of the fabric. Step 3. Place the protective pearl cotton back. Put the protective pearl cotton pieces back in their original positions. One piece should be placed around the shoulder area, the other piece should be placed around the hood area. The pearl cotton helps support and protect the product during transportation, so please make sure it is placed correctly. Step 4. Put the product into the packaging bag. Carefully place the folded product into the original packaging bag, keeping it close to the inner edge of the bag. Zip up the packaging bag securely. If there is extra space in the bag, gently fold the empty part to make the package flatter and neater. Step 5. Put it back into the box. Using both hands, support the packaged product and carefully place it intact into its original white box. The garment may be slightly long. You may gently tuck down the bottom edge as it features a ribbed hem. Gently close the lid, taking care not to press down with force. Then place the white box back into the original outer carton. Finally, seal the carton securely with tape to ensure the package does not open during shipping.